Okay, take two. Because I had my microphone muted the first time. So I just found out that Windows has a video editor. And I know you're all are probably thinking, Alex, Windows Movie Maker was discontinued like 5 years ago. Get with the times. No. Look. Well, you're right. When Movie Maker was discontinued. But if I scroll all the way down to the V's here, video editor. And if you open it, it brings you here. You can create projects, open projects, and this is built right into the Photos app. So that's where it is. There's also the shortcut in the start menu. So what I thought would be fun today is to see if we can actually do anything useful with Windows Video Editor, or if it's just a pile of hot garbage, which is kind of what I'm expecting it to be. So yeah, let's try this from the web. That's an interesting option. From the web. What happens here? Oh, it's just pictures from the web. Okay. So yeah, from this PC, I want to import this source footage here. Let's hope it can read MOVs. Looks like it can. Nice. Okay. Let's swap my webcam back. And so actually let me explain to you what I'm trying to do. This video, I'm going to try and remake this video, but using Windows Movie Maker or Windows Video Editor. So this is all the footage. The footage from this is what I imported into here. So I'm going to try and remake that footage. So I believe this is me coming in the garage door. Oh, I can't preview it? Okay. No, that is not me coming in the garage door. Okay. This is me coming in the garage door. Okay, so yeah, let's right there. Gonna split. Cancel. Actually, I want to trim to there. And then to there. Done. Okay. Okay. That's me walking into the house. That's a good start. Beautiful. Now I just need to find filter. Nope. Effects. 3D effects. Nope. Motion. Nope. You don't have transitions? You don't have transitions? Really? You're expecting me to do this without transitions? It's not speed. Hello? You expect me to do this without transitions? These are kind of transitions. But I just want a simple fade. That's all I want. Please? Fade. Just, what's this box? What's this empty box? Check. It's a check mark. Okay, there's no transitions. Let me play with motion and just see what these actually do. So I just turned on zoom in center for this clip. Let's see what happens. It's just zooming in. So yeah, motion, none, no motion. This, yeah. Okay. Well, I can't do a transition here, so that's kind of not really a seamless transition. I'm not gonna shorten down the soap because I don't really. Yeah, no, that's a pretty long one actually. So split about, yeah, you know, about halfway again. Then this one trim to about there. This one trim to about there. Beautiful. So let's add title card. No. Leave, please. Thank you. Add text. Hand washing 101. Layout centered. Done. Can't put a box behind it. Can't do any fade and transitions. Okay. Here. Step 1. Wet your hands. Up at the top there. Beautiful. We have our text in. We have our clips edited. Now we just need to add background music. Nope, I want my own music. Custom audio. Add audio files. Click add audio file. Audio. This clip. Over the no. It needs to be, yes, start there. Over the whole thing. There we go. Okay, let's see how this plays. It's definitely similar. Oh, it does have keyframes on the, or it did. Why do some frames have keyframes and some not? That is really weird. Okay. Well, we did it. Let's first export it and just see how fast it exports. We'll save it to videos. Yep, right here. Okay. So it actually exported relatively quickly, which is always nice to see. Now let's pull up the actual project that's on my YouTube channel. Let's pull that one up and see. So first off, the two editors are vastly different. Well, I mean, they're arranged in the same way. Let me actually close photos so I can just click between them. They are arranged in the same way. Like you still have your window up here. You still have your window up here. The only difference is the timeline takes up the entire bottom, and then your project panel's up here. That's the only difference, which I can actually do real quick. If I can put this up here. I'll just undock this. No, not the panel. Go back in there, please. Panel group settings, undock panel group. There. So it basically looked like this, which is not bad. It's just not normal. So then, a few things I want to talk about. One, their usage of just automatically giving you transitions. Like, it seemed to work in this circumstance. But then randomly, like, this one has a transition. That text. Whereas this text doesn't. And I applied them both in the same way. Whereas you can see in here in Premiere, so first off, I used keyframes here to make this actually grow. So you can see here under scale here, I have a keyframe enabled, and it's just so it's growing from 0 to 100 in that frame of time, staying 100 through here, and then once it hits this, dropping back down to 0. And then going through. So first off, I actually have a lot more control over the effects here. So you can see if I go into my effects view, I can actually, or no, sorry, graphics, and then edit. You can see, yeah, oh God, there are all of these options in here. Now, I know Premiere is a paid program, $50 a month, while Windows Video Editor is free, but you can't really call it a video editor if you don't have basic video editing functions. Like actually doing stuff with text, for example. This just let you add text. It didn't say how it was going to keyframe. You could position it as well. but only from 6 chosen predetermined locations. Actually, something I did not screw around with is the title card. Do you get more? Nope, it's just a blank screen. Okay. Fantastic. So that doesn't do anything. But yeah. And then I actually used a fade transition here to fade in. It's not loading. I actually used a fade transition to fade in here. And then I faded out there. And then here I actually added a countdown in the bottom right. So you could actually see when I was done, you could actually see when I was done scrubbing. And then here it came back up, faded in, faded out, turned off the water, dried my hands, and then faded to the new view because it took a long time to dry my hands. Cut here, and then faded to the CDC. Now they actually ended up being the same length, except this one has the 3-second CDC warning at the end. So yeah, right about here is they ended up being the same length. So another thing, this labels it in milliseconds. It's very common for most video editing programs to label that in frames. So that's actually what Premiere is doing here. So it's at 0 hours, 0 minutes, 41 seconds, and 20 frames. And right now there are 30 frames per second in this track. So it's about 2/3 of the way through that second, which is a much better way of doing things. You can actually see what exact frame you were on. And again, Premiere is an advanced program, and this doesn't really matter. But I would have liked, you would have. I actually didn't dive into the settings. Nope. Nothing. Maybe an option to switch between frames and milliseconds. That would be nice, because some people who are more experienced with video will actually understand frames. Although I guess this is really meant for people who don't understand video, because if they understood video, they wouldn't be using this. I'm not sure. Although you got to give it credit. I made a presentable video. This is a good presentable video in just about a half hour. So that's pretty amazing. Yeah, it's a 40-second video, but that's pretty common for editing. Or it's actually pretty common for editing to take about, I think it's like 3 minutes per second of video. So if you have like a minute video, it should take you about 3 hours to do. No, that's not right. That's not right at all. What am I saying? No, it's minute second rule. It should take you about a minute for every second of your video. This managed to pull it off in under a minute, which is good. I don't know if it's because it's as not of an advanced program, or if I'm just used to this footage because I already edited it once. It's very possible that I'm just used to this footage and I just edited it again. But also I don't think so, because I kept referring back to the original YouTube video for reference. So that is a reason. But I guess that's it. Should you edit a video in Windows Video Editor? Yeah. Yeah. If you don't have anything else, yeah, this is a good solid option. Although you can get things that are better. If you want to work with right what you have out of the box, this is good. But if you want to spend a few pennies, a great option is actually Filmora from Wondershare. It's very similar to this, except it has a lot more power. It has transitions, and I think it's only one sec. But if you wanted to buy it, it's $60 one-time fee, or $40 a year for the plan. Oh, those are adjusted prices though. Sorry, $50 a year, or $80 for one time. Now, and then this will automatically update and stuff. This just gives you this Filmora version. But yeah, I would strongly recommend this. It is a great, it's a great tool. Far better than Windows Movie Maker. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video with Filmora instead of Movie Maker, and just see how well I can do with that. I also want to use Avid at some point as well. That's a pretty advanced program, and I just want to see the differences between Avid and Premiere. So if you want to see that, let me know. But apart from that, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, get subscribed, do all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.